So for this last part, we're going to use the picture tag or the picture element. And this is used so that you can have a different image depending on the size or format. And we're going to get more into things like this when we get into media queries, but this is based on the screen width. It's going to change the image. So often when I'm learning to use something new and I don't really use this much, I'll copy, paste, and modify. And that's a really standard programming thing to do. So we've got this code here, and I'm going to change the images here. The minimum width of 650 pixels is fine. I'm going to save this so it formats. Minimum width of 465 is fine. Then we're going to need a default image. So I'm just going to need to grab different images here. So instead of that, we're going to do images and grab one, and it doesn't really matter. Cat.jpg. And this one is going to go into. Now I'm a little concerned because it didn't just pop up. There we go. See, it should be. You can always use your own images if you want to. So let's give this a test. So I've saved that. So here, yes, I have a thing for orange cats. So I'm only seeing two sizes. I must not be getting small enough. Let's make these a little bit bigger. Let's make this 950 and this one. Save that. I'll show you another way to test it too. So we can also inspect. And the cool thing here is this lets us do the responsive design. And we can do iPhone. So here, we're getting a scroll bar. Not working real well. That should be that tree image. Let's just make this responsive here. My scroll bar isn't working, but that should have changed it. We can see the black part, that's that cat image. So it changes it depending on the size of the screen. So ideally we'd have a smaller image here formatted for the size of the screen. But we do this more when we get to the responsive design, and we could do that. I honestly prefer to have my images set as a percentage, but that's how the picture element works.